Hi guys, it's me, Wussey. Today we are at Blizzard Beach Water Park. I've actually not been here for a whole year, so super excited to go in, go on all the rides, get in the water, soak up the sun, have a little chillax, and also see if there's anything new. I'm not officially aware of anything new, but you never know, it's been a whole year, so let's keep an eye out. Let's go. The park is open from 10 AM till 6 PM and we're here, it's 10:05, so hopefully the queues will be really short right now. Here comes the scary part. Will we be allowed in the park today? Success! We are in! Let's go hit that water! Well, look who it is. Goofy is here to greet us as soon as we're here. And look at his trendy water fashion. Hopefully he'll be on some slides with us too. I'll definitely have to ask him, see if he's up for some fun today. He certainly looks like he is.
You're gonna come on this side and hop in whenever you like. Come on this side for us, family. My next friends come right there.
Normally there is the UV index forecast on here. Not today, maybe it's too soon, but they are recommending a 30 SPF. We tend to always head around in a clockwise direction, somewhere around here, and we always try to, if we can, get a place underneath some shelter just in case the rain comes and we're out on some slides, out on the slopes. It's always good to know that your belongings are being protected from the rain, because you never know what's going to happen with the Florida weather, especially in August. So for the middle of August, just want to show you how empty this park is overall. So much space, there's a lot of rings, but there's still obviously an atmosphere, there's still quite a few people here, it's not empty, but overall it's a great fun day and the queues are not too bad at all. Here's an overview of the park map at Blizzard Beach, and there are so many great things to do. You've got Meltaway Bay, which is the main wave pool here. The longest lazy river that I have ever been on goes all the way around the outside of the park, so that is fab if you want to chill, or if you've got kids you can take them in there. Downhill double dipper when you race alongside each other, that is fab. You've got the snowstormers, which are here, which has the mat slides facing forward, lying on your front. The Toboggan Racers were 8 at a time, you can race each other as well. At the back of the park there are 3 slides here. You've got the runoff rapids, so 2 of them are outside, which is this one and this one, and then there's one here which is an enclosed slide. These 2 you can ride as a single rider or a double, and this one you can only go as a single rider. You've got Summit Plummet, which is of course the icon of the park, which is super fast. It's brilliant, and even if you don't go on this ride, I actually recommend you come all the way to the top. Go all the way up here, you can stand at the side, just stand at the side of the queue. The views that you get up here are sensational. If that's a little bit too scary for you, a little bit lower down is Slush Gusher, and this one has 3 drops along the way, so it's not quite as fast, not quite as steep. Over on the side here, number 7, you've got Teamboat Springs, which is the family raft ride. It's the longest family raft ride that I've ever been on. It's pretty darn epic. It comes all the way around here. They also get your photo taken near the end in front of a giant Mickey made of inflatables. And then you've also got Ski Patrol Camp, which is great for teens. Loads of fun to be had there. And then over here as well at number 4, you've got Ski Patrol Camp. Great for little kiddies as well, so we always take our kids there. And then also just outside the park is Winter Summerland, which is fab. There's 2 courses. One is themed to summer, so you've got things like melting snowman, and the other side is winter, so everything's all snowy there, which works out perfectly for Winter Summerland to tie in with Blizzard Beach. Also, just like you really are skiing, number 8, you've got the chairlift, which will take you all the way up to the top. So from there you can access the Teamboat Springs, you can walk around to Slush Gusher, you could go on Summit Plummet. So it's really, really great way. It can get pretty tiring heading up the stairs every time, especially if you've come down here really fast and you want to go back up to Slush Gusher. So the chairlift can be fab. There sometimes is a bit of a wait, but at the same time it's a really nice relaxing ride on the way up. So here is the main beach of Blizzard Beach, going into the wave pool, Meltaway Bay, Summit Plummet right at the top next to Slush Gusher. On the left of that you've got Toboggan Racers, the next two you've got Snowstormers, they're both the mat slides. Runoff Rapids is at the back. On the left here you've got Downhill Double Dipper. All the way around us is Cross Country Creek, which is the lazy river. Then over there you've got Tykes Peak, you've got the ski patrol camp, you've got the chairlift that goes all the way up to the top. And then coming down the other side, you've got Teamboat Springs, which is the family raft ride. If you do want some privacy here at Blizzard Beach, then you can head to the beach house for information on how you can have your own private patio. They're all located throughout the park. There's a couple here, and there's also a nice little beach over there. Nice little private spots away from the main pool and from the main beach. Or if you fancy it, you can get one of these patios that do come with their own little double bed sun lounger. Looks super cozy on there if you want it. And for the ultimate luxury, you could have all of this private patio space right in the middle of Meltaway Bay. So you've got the wave pool surrounding you, your own tree, your own lifeguard, your own little beach. How lovely! Okay, so it's lunchtime here at Blizzard Beach, so we're gonna head into Lotta Waterlogged. Let's see what's on the menu today. We could get the roasted chicken rice bowl. Blizzard burger looks really good, and I love a burger. White cat flatbread, also love a flatbread. Also love chicken strips. I'm not gonna get the salad, and I'm not gonna get the tuna sandwich, so maybe I'll get the Blizzard burger. And just to show you, there are plenty of vegetarian options on there today as well, so that's great to see. But I think, oh, the chocolate dipped key lime pie, it's probably got my name all over it, and also the chocolate chip cookie too. And I'm really in the mood for a milkshake, maybe salted caramel. Okay, so here are my steak fries with my burger. It's a pretzel bun. I've never tried a pretzel bun before. And inside we've got sweet and smoky ham jam with cheese. And obviously a burger with a bit of lettuce underneath. That's our salad. It also comes with a side of slaw. Also got the flatbread. So we're probably gonna share the flatbread and share the burger. And then I also got the key lime pie, which I didn't realise comes on a stick, so it's a bit like a lollipop key lime pie, and I love a key lime pie. Also got the salted caramel milkshake and a vanilla milkshake, so we'll try them as well. Try the burger with lots of ham jam. That is right up my street. It's really sweet. The ham jam is really sweet, which is absolutely perfect for me. Sometimes I think when I'm getting a burger, they put all different stuff in it and I can't always taste it. But that is really, really, really good. And there's quite a lot of it as well. I don't know if you can see there. Quite a lot of the ham. The jam's really sweet with the cheese and the burger and the pretzel bun. Highly recommend this. Yummy. Okay, so now we're going to try the flatbread, see what this tastes like after the burger being delicious. It's okay. It just tastes like a basic chicken, vegetable flatbread to me. There's no kind of outstanding flavours. I think probably after having the burger, which had that sweetness and was a really, really interesting and new flavour for me, this tastes a little bit plain in comparison. It's still good, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but I definitely prefer the burger. Now it's time to dive in to the key lime pie on a stick. Here we go. That is so good. I actually thought the outside would be a bit harder, a bit crunchy, crispy, something to break through, but it's actually really soft chocolate. And the inside is that perfect, creamy, cheesy key lime pie filling that we know and love already. Really good. So a few years ago, we bought one of these beauties from Blizzard Beach, and every single time you come back into the parks, you can actually get unlimited refills for the whole day. So you'll pay the one-off fee when you first come in. So today we've paid $8.50, and then we get unlimited drinks in here all day long. So it works out much, much cheaper, especially if you're in a big group, a big family. $8.50 at the start, unlimited drinks in here, share it around, or maybe have one drink at a time, go back, change to something else. You can get all the sodas, everything you want. So this is a great money saving tip. Get one of these beakers. The designs might vary slightly each year because ours is a few years old, but they are brilliant if you do want to save money. $8.50 as of August 2019. So here is one of the refill stations. So you simply place your jug on the tray below the drink you want and press and hold the button. You get Coca-Cola, Coke Zero, Sprite, Fanta, and that's it on this one, but they are slightly varied. So here at the Lazy River at Cross Country Creek, there is this brilliant house here where the Gator lives, and one of the things he says is, "I've got a cold in my nose," and then he'll sneeze and the water will burst out of the chimney. It's super, super fun. The water is freezing.
Oh, I got a cold in my nose.
There is a game that we now play as a family, and I'm going to share that with you. So you can play in twos or more, and you're both going to keep talking in rhythm. So the first thing you're going to say is, I've got a cold in my nose. After that, you're then going to keep going, but you have to keep saying a different body part each time. And if anyone says the same body part at the same time, then you are out. So for example, you might say, I've got a cold in my nose. I've got a cold in my finger. I've got a cold in my eye. I've got a cold in my eyebrow. And it's a great fun game that we play as a family. We made it up years ago. It's really, really random, I know. And we got it from the Gator's lodge here. When he sneezes and when he says that, we started playing that in the river, and you should play it too. So the chairlift is currently not in operation, but it may be because these storm clouds are coming in fast. There is the chairlift that takes you to the top of Mount Gushmore. There's some great little slides here at the Ski Patrol training camp. Adults can ride too, as you can see here, but also it's really, really great for kids to maybe go on their first slide completely on their own, and you can meet them at the bottom, and it's a really, really quick walk round to go again and again and again. Another view of the Ski Patrol training camp. You can see you can step over all of these icebergs that are melting on the water. You can step on these here using the nets above you, and also there's a really fun zip line just here, goes out into the water there. Super fun for those young teens or anyone slightly older than being a toddler. And we've timed this pretty well because it's less than 15 minutes to go on the family raft ride, Teamboat Springs, Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher. Guess which one I'm going to go on? Summit Plummet. So we're in the queue for Summit Plummet, and just want to show you the views here. You can see out on the horizon, that's the backside of Expedition Everest at Disney's Animal Kingdom. The Tree of Life is in the middle. Pandora, the world of Avatar, you can see the floating islands just over there as well. And looking out onto the horizon, you can just make out Contemporary Resort in the middle of the screen with Bay Lake Tower to the right. Panning over, there's Space Mountain in the middle. And Cinderella Castle right there, next to the Grand Floridian over on the left. There's also a great view of the new Grand Destino Tower at Coronado Springs that we showed you the other day. You can also see Spaceship Earth there, and also to the right you can see the Orlando Eye and the Swan and Dolphin Hotel, and look how big the Guardians of the Galaxy ride is behind you, painted in go away blue. So we're trying to make it go away so we don't notice it so much, but I can see it. And we can also see the Hollywood Tower Hotel, aka Tower of Terror at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Rock and Roller Coaster, which is the big blue building to the left. Panning around the rest of Disney's Hollywood Studios, we're going to see Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Batuu. There we go. So the views up at Summit Plummet are fab. Even if you don't go on the ride, I do suggest you come up here, just have a look at Walt Disney World, and you can really see how massive this place is.
Hey, hold on. Sit right there and cross your legs.
That was so good. The views up there were amazing, and just before I go on, I always get little jelly legs, a little bit scared, but it was fab. Absolutely drenched, but hey, it's a water slide and it's so fast. Brilliant. Obviously going up to the top, you get so many amazing views, which I tried to show you, and hopefully they would have pulled off on the camera, but also the fun you get on the way down. You've got that massive climb to get up the top, great views to look at whilst you're waiting to ride, and then you summit down super fast. You will definitely get a wedgie. You'll definitely be really scared just as you're about to go down. Honestly, as you're pushing off, you can't actually see the rest of the slide, so you just feel like you're pushing yourself off a cliff and you're going to fall down. But it was fab. Absolutely love it. Summit Plummet, go on it if you can, if you are a daredevil. If not, maybe try Slush Gusher first, which is the 3 dips. Try that next to it, see how you feel, and then go on Summit Plummet. Funnel cake. So it's 5:20 and we've just all been told we need to get out of the water because there is a storm on the way. So it's always best for us to get out of the water. It's really great that Disney care about us and want to keep us safe, and especially the Florida storms. If there's lightning, if there's thunder, it can be pretty dangerous out there. So we're leaving the park a little bit early, but not too bad. We have made it all the way through till 5:20 and it just closed at 6. We've definitely got our money's worth. Had such a good day here. Highlight of course for me being getting to go on Summit Plummet again, and of course I love the lazy river. Okay, that's it. So see you next time. Bye from me, Wussey.